Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be answering a question that Anne-Marie asked. Now, Anne-Marie, she had been speaking about the Ecover Maker that I've previously shown on another video. And she asked me a couple of questions on that. And I'm going to attempt to answer these questions. I needed to clarify something with her. She hasn't managed to get back to me yet, but I'm going to try and answer this question to the best of my ability. I hope I managed to get everything covered that you want covered. So I figured this would be a good video to make for my entire subscriber base. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be actually showing you how to quickly and easily readjust the image sizes and also remove any backgrounds using various tools. And we're going to be showing you how you can put that onto various size backgrounds. So for example, an 8.5 by 11 and a 6 by 9. Okay, now here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Okay, Anna Maria, I think I've actually worked out what it is you want me to do. Now, I'm actually over here in my Ecover Maker. Now what I've done is I've scrolled it out as far as I feel comfortable doing. And the reason I've done that is so as I can actually get to what I need to do. So the first thing we want to do is go over here to create design. So I'm going to click on that, and as you can see, you've got width and height. Now if you want to be able to convert it to pixels, it's good to go over here to Google and type in inches to pixels or inches to px, and that will allow convert inches to px. So we can just go, say for example you want to do 8.5, we now know that that's 816. So we copy that, we go back over to my Ecover Maker, we now go to the width section and we type that in. We go back over here again and we want to say 11 because we know that's the height. We now know that is the pixel size, we copy that. We go back over here, we go there, we can go Control V and we paste that in there, and we now create. Now that's going to give us this template here. Now what we need to do is we need to actually, if you want to be able to add a transparent background, you first have to add an image. Now as you can see, I've scrolled out quite a bit. I'm going to go add stock images, and you have a whole bunch of different kinds just here. So let's choose, say for example, people, and let's choose a reasonably easy image to do. Let's try this one here. It should do. And you click on that image just there, and we can either hit remove background, which should do something really funky, which it probably will, because it should be very interesting to see what happens. Get rid of that. It actually removed the background really well. So you can do it that way, and as you can see, the background is completely transparent. Or if you want to, we can undo what we just did, and we can go back over here to stock images, go back to people, grab that image again, and then we can go here to extract. Now what I would strongly suggest you do is the area in which you want to keep, which is this area here, the inside of the body. I'm going to keep all this area here. Make sure you trace the inside of the body. And along here, go along here. keep all of that, because this is the area you want to keep. Okay, so we just do the best you can with tracing that, because this is the area you definitely don't want to lose. So we just trace along there the best you can, and then once you've done that, there we are. Keep all that area there. Keep all this. Keep the leg and everything like that. The shoe. There we are. We're going to keep all that. So keep all this. Keep all that. There we are. Now we want to lose this area in here, as well as out here, and down here, as well as around here. So the shadow, we want to lose all of that. Now we want to probably trace around the outside of the area where we want to lose it, so as we don't actually touch her, and we go around the outside here, so as we can remove what needs to be removed. It's a bit of a fiddly job, but we probably want to make sure we get as close as we can. Now if you have a pen and a pad, a computer pen and a computer pad, that would probably work a lot better than what I'm using, which is just a mouse. And then all we need to do here is hit convert. And we'll see how this works out. Let's see what this does, and we'll try it out. It's all trial and error in this case. So there we are. Not perfect, because as you can see there are spots that we've missed. So let's go here with the area we want to remove. We'll probably want to, because as you can see we didn't stay very close to the leg there, so we probably need to get a bit closer to the leg. Remove all that area just here. We'll get a bit closer to the green mark. Get rid of all that. Get in there. Remove some of that area just there. Get a bit closer. And just do that and see how we go. Color that area there and get rid of all that, so as it now knows that we need to remove all that. Be nice if it was a little bit more intuitive, but we can go convert and see what happens. It may look really funky now. We'll see how it all goes. But you need to have an image first, and you need to be in the main design area for this to work. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah, that's not great. Personally, we'll just continue on from here. And as you can see, it's not a good look, so let's get rid of that. Let's remove that. Delete this. So really, I think the best way for you to do this, to be perfectly honest, is to just go here, get this one, go to remove background, and let it do it for you. I think that'll probably be definitely the easiest way you can do it. And even though it's larger, we can always shrink it down. So grabbing the corner, you shrink it down, and then you have the person inside, and there is the size. It's much easier if you just let it do it for you. As you can see, it has done a pretty good job of removing the background, and way less stressful doing it this way. Okay, well, I hope this answered your question. Alright, so I've done this in 2 sections for you now, and hopefully this will have done the job for you. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and bye for now.